Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the reduction direction in the fax settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here we want to go to function settings, and then we want to go over and select receive and forward. Now let's click on the fax settings. And here we need to scroll a bit down until we see reduce RX size. Now we need to make sure that this setting is enabled, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to use the reduction. And after that, what we need to do is we need to change the reduction direction. And here you guys can change it to vertical only or vertical and horizontal. So it's basically up to your preference, and it's also up to the scale of reduction you're doing, so reduction ratio. And whenever you go for something low, I would use the vertical only, but whenever you go for like 97 or 95%, or you just keep it on auto, then I would go for vertical and horizontal, as I've used this printer for quite a while now. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.